Assalamu alaikum. Today is December 1st, 2025. Now it's been 15 years since I started my career in software quality assurance. So in today's podcast, I will discuss my experience in those 15 years, and based upon my experience, I will see how things will be there in after 15 years, how our industry will be standing, especially quality assurance field in 2040. So to summarize this, I will summarize all the talk. I will use 3 P's: people, process, and product. First, I will discuss my experience as a people, how people has changed, their mindset has evolved. So then we'll discuss the processes, their improvement in the process, and then we'll discuss the product. So when we talk about the people, now people's mindset has changed because of globalization, because of so many changes, so many innovations, so many products came in the market due to competitive markets. We are living in the world which is capitalism. So I have seen the real face of capitalist society, especially when we talk about the layoffs, when we talk about the employer expectations and so on. So people aspect has changed so much, especially in COVID. We have seen the many changes which industry has transformed so much. When I started my career, there was no work from home. Now employees are expecting at least 1 or 2 days work from home. They are expecting hybrid work. Now people's mindset has changed. When I started my career, there was some kind of job security, but these days there is no job security. So we cannot talk about the job security anymore. This is bad for employees, but not bad for employers. So in the capitalism, whatever is going on in the favor of employers. So these transformations, some of the things which has happened are not good for employees, but this is the true reality. Now employees has most powerful weapon in their arsenals are their skill set, and based upon their skill set they are surviving. Those people they have learned their skills, and they have transformed from manual to automation. They are not knowledgeable. Now they can teach to others. So this was aspect of people. Now we have process. Our process have improved a lot. Now to assess the quality assurance maturity, we use TMI test maturity model integrations, which is widely used. And back in 15 years back, there was CMMI. Most of the people were talking about CMMI. Now more mature process, TMMI has become more mature. Now we are using TMMI assess the quality assurance process, and so we have 5 levels. We assessing where quality assurance team is standing in which level. So we have TMI. When we talk about the process, there was a waterfall model we used to release after many months. Now we have agile, Scrum. We have daily stand-up meeting, Scrum, Kanban, and so on. So these were transformation. Now world has changed from traditional waterfall to more agile processes. So from linear to iterative models, processes has improved, they have evolved. Now let's talk about product. So there was desktop application era when I started my career. Now we have web-based and mobile-based applications, iOS, Android-based. Now there is no more desktop applications. We have web-based applications. When we talk about the especially in automations, there are many tools has evolved over the years. New tools have come into market. Especially when I started automation 2011, there was a Selenium, then came a Cypress, then we are using these days Playwright. So Playwright is more popular, more powerful. I've seen the changes, especially when we talk about the AI. We have chatbots, large language models, ChatGPT. So these days ChatGPT plus is my assistant, more knowledgeable, more powerful. These tools are helping a lot. They are making our life easier. I've seen these changes in terms of products. Products are more complex. They are using AI. They are AI based products now these days. When we talk about the automation, so we are using AI assisted automations. So there were these changes impacted a lot industry. So based upon all these stuff which has happened during last 15 years, we are expecting more rapid growth in the industry, especially when we talk about the quality assurance. And so now, due to AI and automations, I have seen the transformation from manual to fully automation due to automation and AI. Now, due to automation and AI, low level entry to quality assurance. Now we are expecting, because low level jobs are replaced by AI. So we are expecting the person who is expert in different, who can bring the different angle into quality assurance. For example, the person from marketing can bring one special aspect in the quality assurance. So quality assurance is not in one rigid area of specialization. It welcomes many aspects, many point of views. Especially communication skill is very important. Technical skills, when talk about technical skills, automations are very important these days. Automation people are paid very well, more than the developers. So automation is a very high demand, because world is moving so fast. There are so many innovations going on in those areas. So as an employee, you need to improve your skill set. You should have better communication, expertise in automations, team management, mentorship, and so on. So now you have competition with AI, because AI is helping and replacing. Maybe in few years we will see journalic AI. So the general AI will be more powerful. Now we have specialized AI. For example, Code Rabbit AI reviews the code, and after that human code reviews. So human aspect is still very important. It will remain important. So especially quality assurance personnel are required. When we talk about test pyramid, we have most of the test cases are automated at the bottom at unit level. Then we have API. So unit level tests and API level tests are they have no flakiness. They are more stable, more reliable tests there. So we have unit test, API test, and then at the top we have end-to-end EI test, UI test, end-to-end UI test. Then we have at the top, at the highest top, we need a human intelligence is required to do some exploratory testing, to bring some human insight into product. So human insight is very important. Sooner this field is not replaced by AI, but more expectations from quality assurance persons are due to AI, because AI has improved our performance. So we can deliver much faster now because of AI assistant. Now as a quality assurance professionals, we need to improve our skills, adopt the new changes, learn the new things, and so there will be much exciting journey ahead, especially in these developments. These developments are positive. Think about the positive. They are not replacing the humans sooner. So I seen the many transformation. Some of them are bad, especially these days there is no job security. So now people, as soon as they get one job, they are looking for another job. So one of the most powerful weapon in their arsenal are their skill set. Based upon their skill set, employees are surviving. So this is the true face of capitalist society. We need to accept some of the realities. We need to change ourselves, and I wish you best of luck and bright future ahead. And see you later in another postcard. Thank you very much. Bye.